To come to fucking.
Look.
Wow.
Look, check me.
That
Look.
been a little bounce back.
Look.
Too.
It's my turn, so I'm shutting shit down. Beretta grip, never slip like I'm stuck to the ground. Hustling now, tucking the pound in my rock sweats. If I pop now, you won't get the pop next. I shot text, script those pistols, blow gats, no raps like instrumentals. Funeral time, mine's crime, get us some tissue. Blowing guns for the funds, it's the issue. Look, it's official for chips. Watch I cock and pop and watch them drop like horse shit. Y'all should forfeit, throw in the towel. I'm about to cop a gun with a clip that hold 1,000. I'm a hoodlum, man. My pop boil you. I sell oil like Muslim stamps. Damn, I ain't crying. I'm on the grind till the crack gone. For cheese, trick and squeeze, lead niggas with their back gone. Cats drawn cause my bar is tightest. Hit you up, you stiffen up like arthritis shit. I click and clack you with the biscuit and turn your biscuit into biscuit bladder bleeding. The way I'm brewing is so easy to do it cause I got a gun. The only thing I need now is a reason to shoot it. And I'm stuck on getting this cash. The case spit. My basement look like a chemistry lab. Look, I've been in the lab. I can pump up the weight. When I shape up, I leave razor marks on the plate. I'll spark up your face when the plastic blows. Mills pop, grill shot, casket closed, bag of clothes. I can handle the X. Rap or crack, gotta get my hands on the check. Marlins grin, bag for bag, I can handle the next. My rims in my car poke out like Pamela Anderson chest. Man, I'm the best. I'm the guy that prove it, chump. I spit flames like a drunk lighter fluid. I like to do it, hire niggas for dirt. I'm the block man. I should hire niggas for work.